Students, topic for today is conversion of interrogative sentences into indirect speech. What is an interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks a question and ends with question mark is called interrogative sentence. There are two types of interrogative sentences. First, direct question. Second, yes-no question. Direct question begins with a question word. For example, who, what, why, when. Why is the sky blue? The sentence starts with why. So this is WH word and this is direct question. Second is yes-no question. It begins with helping verb. It begins with is, am, are, do, does, etc. For example, are you coming to the party? Here this sentence starts with helping verb are and this is yes-no question. So first of all we have to observe whether the sentence is WH word question or yes-no question. The yes-no question, that means the question which starts with helping verb is changed into an statement. That means question mark is replaced by full stop. The question pattern changes into a statement. Then reporting verb is changed into ask, inquire and connective if and whether is used. And the remaining changes like change of pronoun, change of tense, adverb change will be like statements. For example, she said to him, "Are you writing a poem?" This is yes-no question as it starts with helping verb are. So first of all, said to is changed to asked and in place of inverted comma, if or whether is used. And are you writing a poem? It will change into a statement, he was writing a poem. Question mark is removed. Pronoun change and tense change will be in the same pattern as in statement. Here, you is changed to he and are you writing a poem? Present continuous changes to past continuous. But in case of question words, the question that starts with who, how, where, what, whose, which, same words are used as a connective in the reported speech. For example, where do you live? She asked Meena. Here, she asked Meena. Asked will remain the same and in place of inverted comma, where will remain there. No, if or whether is used in WH questions. Then question is changed to statement. So the indirect speech will be, she asked Meena where she lived. Simple present changed to simple past and pronoun you changed according to object, that is Meena, that is she. So while converting direct speech to indirect speech in assertive sentences or statement, we use 6 steps, but in interrogative sentences we will use 7 steps. First step is identify subject, object, reporting verb, tense of the sentence. Second is change of reporting verb. In interrogative sentence, change of reporting verb will be like this. Said or said to will change to asked. Says, says to will change to asked. Say or say to will change to ask. We can also use inquired in place of said to. Now third step, replace inverted comma with if or whether in yes-no question and WH words in direct question or WH questions. We don't use that in interrogative sentence. Then change of pronoun, change of tense and change of adverb, same as you have learnt. Now the 7th step is convert question into statement, question mark is removed and full stop is used. Now see one example. She said to me, "What are you doing now?" So the first step is identify. She is subject, me is object, said to is reporting verb, and in reported speech you is second person and the tense is present continuous tense. And what type of question it is? It is WH word type of question as it starts from what. Now the second step is said to change to asked. Third step is replace inverted comma with what. As I told you, in WH word question, WH words remain the same. So what will remain what? No, if or whether in WH words question. Now change of pronoun. Pronoun you, that is second person, will change according to object, that is me, and it will become I. So you will become I. Now change of tense. Are doing will change to was doing. Present continuous will change to past continuous. Now change of time words or adverb. Now will become then. And the seventh change is change into statement. Question will change to statement. What was I doing then will change to what I was doing then. So the final outcome will be she asked me what I was doing then. This is all for today. Keep learning, keep revising.